Hi Joe, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. You had spoken with Natalie the other day about receiving one of our videos. The reason we wanted to send you this video is because we noticed that you were paying for Google ads, so clearly you wanted more jobs, and we wanted to show you how you could get found for all the searches that are going on every month. So the two things I wanted to talk to you about are content and backlinking. So in Google's eyes, content is king. And when I say content, all I'm talking about is all the words on your website. So we see that you have probably about 300 to 400 words on your homepage. Google really likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Also, back pages should have lots of content. We see you only have maybe a 5-page website. Definitely want to get some service pages added so you can get more content on there. Looking at your top competitor, Electrician Honolulu, we see that they have over 1,500 words of content on their homepage. And if we look at their services, they have a ton of service pages. So they are pretty much showing Google that, they are the authority, they have the most content, the most information, and that they deserve to be at the top of the first page of Google. So definitely want to get more content added to your website. When we search Google for Electrician Honolulu, the first thing we're going to see is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. So let's skip past all the directories like Yelp and Home Advisor. The first guy we see is Pro Electric. So one of the main ways to rank in the organic section is through something called a backlink. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site linking to another site. So the tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. When we plug in Pro Electric, we see they have 28 referring domains or websites, giving them 271 backlinks. When we plug your site in, don't be alarmed. This is pretty normal for people who are not working with any type of digital agency. You don't know what you don't know, so you don't know to go get links. So we see you don't have any referring domains, therefore you have no backlinks. We see you're being found for one keyword, which is Mr. Electric Hawaii. So there are about 20 searches for you every month. However, you are in the 28th position, so that's still the third page of Google for your own name. Let's jump back over here. So when it comes to backlinking, not all backlinks are created equal. So there are trustworthy links and there are spammy links. Obviously, Google wants the trustworthy ones. They rank sites that they trust. And so you want to get not only trustworthy links, but relevant links. So when I say relevant, I mean having another electrical company in maybe California or Florida link back to your website will be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows you're not in the pizza industry, and that is a completely irrelevant link to your industry. So trustworthy, relevant links are what we're going for here. Let's take a look at some keywords to give you an idea of the search volume. So on the left we have the keywords, and the volume is the average monthly searches for that keyword. So Electrician Honolulu, there's about 200 searches for that every month. Electricians Honolulu, there's 80. Electrician Oahu, 90. Electrical Contractors Honolulu, 50. Electrical Contractors Hawaii, 150. So you can see that there's a few hundred searches every month for people looking for your service. So if you're not being found for those keywords, it's just a lot of business you're missing out on. That's why we're reaching out to you. We wanted to help you get found for these top keywords, so that way you didn't have to keep paying per click. The downside of paying per click is even if they never call you or they don't use your service, you still had to pay for that click to your website. So definitely being found in the organic section is where you want to be. Just to do a recap for you, definitely want to get lots of more content added to your site, at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on the homepage. Get some back pages built out, and then you want to get relevant, trustworthy links pointing back at your website. to show Google that you are the authority in your niche and that you deserve to be at the top of the page. All right, Joe, that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't hesitate to reach back out if you have any questions, and I hope you have a great one.